Hello friends, my name is Habib. Today we're going to learn how to make custom loading screen using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. First, you see that I've already made the folder and the files for it. So yeah. Next, I will create a div. I'll create another div. Of course, there are much easier ways to do this, but still, this div will have an ID of floor. This div will have an ID of ball. So I write hashtag floor. What I want is for the floor, it's going to be blue background color, cornflower blue. It will have a width of 100 pixels and a height 100 pixels and a position of absolute. I will open it up by pressing Ctrl O. I will go to documents. Where's the folder? Open HTML. I'll try that. Body. Display grid. And then finally I'll be like, I'll display grid and then I'll align the items in the center by item center, justify content center, height 100 SVH. Let me set the position to relative. There we go. Now we are here. Next, for the ball, I am going to do the same thing, except instead set the background color to crimson, and I'll severely reduce the height to like 1/10 of the floor's height. Tiny. Set the position to relative before I told this position. Relative. Position. Relative. Top 50%. This for the floor. Oh yeah, by the way, I'll set the width to like 100 and I'll set the height to only like 10. I'll move this up. Set this to like 40%. No, it's 30. I meant 60%. Now I'll set the top to like 30 pixels. Bottom 80. 200. And 400 pixels. Now I'm going to go and set the right to like 50%. Whatever, 50 pixels. Left. And yeah. So now what I want to do is that I want to make this to fall down on this. How will I do that? I'll get the ID of the ball document get element by ID, ball. I'll make a function I'll set interval anyways. I'll set interval. So now I make a function called v velocity v equals to 0. I'll set the ball dot position dot style dot bottom to 400 pixels. 400 plus v pixels, and I'll increase v by a very small amount, like 0.1, and this should be moving. Dollar sign. V should increase, and I'll set the speed y to 0, and then I'll write with the speed y to decrease by v plus speed y. I want it to be so that when it gets to here, it's going to bounce. But now the thing is, I'm not going to spend all that time implementing collision detection. I'll go to console from here, see computed, two hundred by 10. So now what I'm going to do is that our code floor is equal to document.get element by ID floor. I can get this floor as y position, so floor dot get bounding rect client dot x. I can log console or log floor dot get bounding rect client dot x. Inspect, go to the console, and it gets bounding client rect client. It gives me the x position. What I'll do is that if then all dot get bounding rect client rect dot y is greater than floor dot get bounding rect client dot y plus ball dot get bounding rect client dot height Then move the bar up. Set speed Y. Set V to -10. Should work. -10 is a bit too much. -5. The gravity is too slow. 0.2. Yes. So now I'm going to change the background color, something like this. Anyways, that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel, ObaCode. Bye.